What's up, kids? Got another one for you. This is the last unit before your test. Feel free to read over this if you would like. Here is your week. And here's your way. Feel free to read over those if you would like. Check this video out. Squatting 440 pounds at 130 pound body weight. Pretty neat.
Watching a world record squat attempt. Wiley 7 kilo category. Amazing weights for ladies of this size. For anyone. There she goes, down, up. Oh, that was
So I'm proud to say that I can squat more than her. Just barely. Here's your example. So if you remember, we use this guy. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So now we're going to go the other way. We were expanding before, and now we're going to go backwards. We're going to factor this. And to factor it, we have to recognize some things. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 1. B is equal to 7. You take the square root of 49. Which means that this must be 2 times a times b. So 2 times 1 times 7, it is 14. So we can say that this is equal to x plus 7, x plus 7. Then another way to write that would be x plus 7 squared. Done. Another example. Same thing. So we want to factor this. We say, what is the value of a? A is equal to 3. What is the value of b? 5. And is this 2 times a times b? So 2 times 3 times 5. 3 times 5, 15, and 30. So yep, so we can say that that is 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5. Noticing that this changes it to a minus because the end result in the middle is a negative. Here's your try it. So let's speed this process up a little bit. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, squared, not to the third, squared. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4. Done. A little longer. So we got a lady. Needs cylindrical containers to package your voice-activated speakers. Packaging company makes 2 different cylindrical containers. Both are 3 inches high. Both are 3 inches high. The volume information is given for each type of container. Determine the radius of each cylinder. So volume of a cylinder is equal to pi times r squared times h. And it's telling us that the volume of this first one is this. Volume of the second is that. Probably blow this up a little bit. So we can say that the volume of this one is equal to pi times 3x squared plus 30x plus 75. And we know that the height is 3, so we can divide everything by 3. We know that it was multiplied. So pi is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 25. Then we just have to factor that. So pi is equal to x plus 5 squared. So then the radius, oh, we did factor out a 3. 3. So the radius is equal to x plus 5. So radius r is equal to x plus 5. Second one, volume is equal to 3 pi x squared. So we can divide everything by 3, but right, it's already kind of in that form. So we know then that the radius is equal to x. So how much greater is the radius of the one container than the other? It is 5 greater inches, 5 inches greater. Inches greater. Alright. So these are difference of squares. So both of these numbers are perfect squares. Because if you do the square root of 9, it's equal to 3. The square root of 1 is equal to 1. That's what makes a perfect square. That is what makes a perfect square. So, if you remember, if we have ax squared plus b squared, that is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So then ours is equal to x plus 3, x minus 3. Same thing. A value is 2. B value is 9, taking the square root. You have x. You have 2x plus 9, 2x minus 9. Factor it. X plus 8, x minus 8, 3x, 3x plus 10, 3x minus 10. Factored form, so we have to find a GCF first. You know that you have to find a GCF because it's so complicated. So what do they have in common? They both have a 3, both have an x, and they both have a y. So if we factor that out, 3xy, we're left with x squared minus 4y squared. And when you factor out the GCF, you should get difference of squares. That's how you know you did it right. So now factor this. You have x plus 2y, x minus 2y. Factored. Last but not least, GCF. 4x. Factor that out. 4x. We have x squared plus 6x plus 9. So two numbers that multiply to 9 and add to 6. 3 and 3. Plus 3 squared. GCF. Not 5. Not 8. 4. No. 2. Yeah. 2. We have 2. 25x squared minus 16y squared. 2, 5x plus 4 4y and 5x minus 4y. Alright, that's that. Here's your list. Hope you guys have a